Ready? Oh no, I have to sneeze. I have to sneeze. I have to sneeze. Sorry.
As most of my sort of friends will tell you, I am I am the least content creator, which is either north or south. And I know which is which, but I don't want to spoil it for the
I want...
Hey, why does he have green... Oh, are you okay? Oh my...
What's up?
Did you sneeze into another universe or something?
I just sneeze.
Hello. You were very good at drawing me, Lillian. I'm gonna sneeze now. Oh, never mind, it went away. Oh, no, I gotta sneeze. No, wait. Yes.
Great. I mean, you'll be in the history books. For some people.
Yeah, at least I'll be in the history books for the president, you know, that ground the nation into the ground.
Yeah. Not even me with Schlatt. How did you do that, man?
I just have a... Yeah, I know, I just have, like, a way with my words. Maybe Schlatt was just better than me. Man.
Maybe.
So wait, what was the problem with Schlatt?
To be honest,
You have a lot.
was there even that much of a problem?
You have a lot to catch up on.
Poor facial hair.